welcome to Varun Techie channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Today we will see data structures and algorithms day 2. What is DSA? DSA is defined as a combination of two separate yet interrelated topics, data structure and algorithms. DSA is one of the most important skills that every computer science student must have. It is often seen that people with good knowledge of these technologies are better programmers than others and thus crack the interviews of almost every tech giant. What is a data structure? A data structure is defined as particular way of storing and organizing data in our devices to use the data efficiently and effectively. How to start learning DSA? DSA from scratch can be broken into four parts. The first one is learn about time and space complexities, learn the basics of individual data structures, learn the basics of algorithms, practice problems on DSA. Learn about complexities. Two types of complexities: time complexity, space complexity. Time complexity is used to measure the amount of time required to execute the code, whereas space complexity means the amount of space required to execute successfully all the functionalities of the code. Asymptotic notation. It is a mathematical tool that calculates the required time in terms of input size and does not require the execution of the code. Three types of notations are there in asymptotic notation: big O notation, omega notation, theta notation. Big O notation specifically describes the worst case scenario. Omega notation specifically describes the best case scenario. Theta notation represents the average complexity of an algorithm. Now we see the diagram. Observe, in the x-axis we have the input size n, and in the y-axis we have running time complexity in terms of big O, that is order of f of n. Big O of n factorial, big O of c power n, big O of n power c are worst case scenarios. Big O of n log n is bad. Order of n is fair. Order of log n is good. Order of 1 is the best. The most used notation in the analysis of a code is the big O notation, which gives an upper bound of the running time of the code. Learn data structures. Here comes the most crucial and the most awaited stage of the roadmap for learning the data structure and algorithm. The stage where you start learning about DSA. The topic of DSA consists of two parts: data structures and algorithms. Types of data structures: array data structure, string data structure, linked list data structure, stack data structure, queue data structure. These are all the linear data structures, whereas the advanced data structures: heap, hash, tree, and graph. Learn algorithms: searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, divide and conquer algorithm, greedy algorithms, recursion, backtracking, dynamic programming. It is very important to get placed in the large tech giants. Pattern searching, mathematical algorithms, geometric algorithms, bitwise algorithms, randomized algorithms, branch and bound algorithm. Thank you. We'll learn array data structure in the next class.